Hi, if you want to customize your S Pen sound on this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you will need to open Galaxy Store and download this fantastic application. It is available only in the Galaxy Store but not in the Play Store. So after you installed it, you just need to open it. And here we can see some customization for the ear commands, but we are interested in sound. So let's scroll a bit, and here's the sound section. We have several options for the sound. Let's test the basic one, for example, first. Now let's test the hard. And here you can play any sound to just check how it will sound, and to just install it, you will need to tap on the preferred sound and here select this use button. Also, you can set your custom sound and here select sound to remove and select sound when inserting your S Pen. And now let's test it. I'm gonna insert back my S Pen and now let's pull it out. And here's the new sound. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.